not a relevant question, settle down, take your notebook out. Okay. Hey Jaganya. So let me do a quick roll call. Shalini can't use camera. Okay. Okay. So let me do a quick roll call and see who all are here. So we have Mandeep, we have Nihan, we have Sanvi, we have Shalini, Suhina, then Supriya. Is that Jay?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, okay. Keep your video on, otherwise I will get confused, okay? Then we have Joy, we have Yaganya, and then we have Arihan. And in the classroom we have Tasvik and Yug. Okay, yeah, Mandeep.
Can I be the first one?
Do you have to go somewhere?
No.
Okay. Now, so keep your video on though. And Tasvik and Yug, my request to you guys would be, don't get into any discussion. Sleepy? Are you sleepy? Need a blanket? Pay attention in the class and stay awake. So we have Usher also. Alright, so today being a Saturday, we will first do tables. And whoever asks for going first, I will probably not entertain. I will choose. Hello, 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 come on in, come on in. Find out a place for yourself. So we have some new kids in the class as well. If you guys want, you can pull a chair also. Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Okay. So, first of all, a quick introduction of the kids. Divit I have seen a couple of times. So, Divit is a known name to me. What's your name, beta?
Ananya.
Ananya,
Aditya.
Aditya. So, Ananya, Aditya and Divit. So now, Yug and Tasvik, these are two other kids in the classroom. And they used to feel very alone, very lonely, right? Now you have more kids in the class. You are feeling better? Okay, Nate is also coming over.
Yeah.
Quick, quick, quick. Alright, so let's start. So we have, let me do a quick, okay, now when we have more kids in the class, Ananya and Advik, right?
Aditya.
Aditya, okay. Okay, Tasvik, move. Yug, you will stay in your place, Nate, you will stay in your place. Now, since we have more kids in the class, any disturbance created by anybody would not be acceptable.
Can I ask you to get a chair?
No, I will not let you. You will stay in this place. Because if I give more flexibility to the kids, that is when you start misusing it. Let's not do that. Let's get started. So, let me do a quick roll call and we'll start. So we have, okay, everybody hands down, everybody hands down. I will ask you guys when to raise your hand. Everybody hands down. Okay. So we have Nihan, Asher, Shalini, Aditi, Mandeep, Sanvi, Shalini, Suhina, Jay, Joy, Yaganya and Arihan. Alright. Tasvik, your problems are to be fixed. Your problems also have to be fixed. Everybody here. Now, so today being a Saturday, what we do is, we first do tables. Okay? And everybody stays on mute. I'll let you guys when you have to speak. So, on Saturdays we do tables, meaning I ask you guys some questions on tables to see how much you remember, what you don't. And then we come up with a plan. How do we memorize the tables? Because if you memorize tables, you will see math becomes more and more fun. Okay? Okay? And all your tiredness has to be at home, not in the classroom. Stay stable. You're not going to keep on stretching throughout the class. Alright. So, I will keep calling out names one by one. And then I'll ask you questions and see how quickly and how accurately you're able to answer that. That'll be our first thing that we do on Saturday and then we'll learn some things. Okay? Aditya, Ananya, David. I'm calling out your names again and again because I'm trying to memorize your name so that I don't call you Himesh or Sarvesh or something else. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so I will call 2 kids on the screen, then 1 kid in the class. 2 kids on the screen, 1 kid in this class. Let's go to Mandeep. Okay, Mandeep, ready? You have to be quick. Mandeep, table till?
What?
Table till, which number? 12. 8 8 ja.
64.
9 8 ja.
72.
12 5 ja.
60.
7 9 ja.
49.
8 8 ja. 8 8 ja.
64.
Good job. Okay, Aditi. And Mandeep, you'll go on mute after you have talked, okay? Because otherwise there'll be background noise. Aditi, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
13.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 8 ja.
96.
7 7 ja.
49.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
13 5 ja.
65.
Good job. Now one child in the classroom. Tasvik, table till?
4.
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 9 ja.
108.
11 7 ja.
77.
7 9 ja.
63.
9 7 ja.
63.
Good job. Now Nihan, ready?
Yeah.
8 7 ja.
No, you didn't ask me the table count.
Okay, table till? 13. No, you'll not go to 14, 13. Let's stick to 13, okay? You are way ahead of your grade, okay? I don't want you to go very fast, okay? Let's stay till 13, okay? After March, we'll go to 14. Okay? I'm not trying to discourage you. I don't want to grow very old very fast, okay? Alright, so 13 5 ja.
65.
9 9 ja.
81.
12 7 ja.
84.
11 9 ja.
83.
8 7 ja.
86.
7 7 ja.
What?
7 7 ja.
49.
12 9 ja.
108.
14 6 ja.
77. 84.
So that's why I was saying not to go to 14. But yeah, I mean, see, you can still do it. I'll keep on asking surprise questions, but yeah, my focus will be till 13. If you do 14, that's also fine. Yog, you're not in the park. Jaganya, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
12.
8 9 ja.
32.
12 7 ja.
84.
8 9 ja.
72.
12 8 ja.
96.
7 9 ja.
63.
Good job. Alright, now who was next? And again, for David, Aditya and Ananya. This is your first class. David's second or third class, I think.
Third.
But there will be a situation where if I'm asking questions, you go wrong, no problem, okay? Because we are trying to learn things. These kids who are answering the questions very quickly because they have been doing it for the last 6 months. You have not even spent 1 week, right? So don't feel bad about it. Making mistake in the class is perfectly fine. You and Tasvik, all your friendship outside the classroom. Okay? No, Tasvik, I'm not liking it, please. You? Any other language that I can explain you? I don't care. I don't really care. And you don't have to care as well. Okay? You're only here for only maths. Okay? Now, so if you make mistake, that's fine. Making mistake is no crime. Not trying to learn is a problem. Okay? Alright, let's see what you guys to say. Table till?
7.
8 7 7 5 there.
35.
6 8 there.
48.
5 9 there.
45.
4 4 there.
16.
3 9 there.
27.
5 7 there.
35.
6 8 there.
48.
So, see, now I'll ask Ananya to tell me what did you find when you was answering the questions?
What?
What was your observation? What was your finding when you was answering the questions? Okay, David.
He was very slow on answering.
Okay, I'll add a little bit more to it. He was okay. See, a couple of points. One is he did not go wrong. His answers were correct. Other observation of mine. You look at me. When he was answering questions till the table of 5, he was fine. 6 and 7 is where he was struggling. What does it mean? You need practice. How many times I told? I have been practicing my reminders so much so that I have told you at least 50 times.
Wait, really?
50 times? No, this is not an argument. I have told you 50 times. Take it or leave it. But you have not been practicing. So you, now everybody is watching you. Okay? Practice more. Okay? That is when you'll come to the class, say, okay, I'll tell the answers. And then everybody will look at you. Yes, you will answer very quickly and very accurately. Okay? I want everybody to be in that situation. Okay, let's go to Suhina. Suhina, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till?
13.
8 9 ja.
What, sir? 72.
12 5 ja.
60.
11 9 ja.
9 9.
6 9 ja.
54.
13 6 ja.
13 6 here is
78. I cannot hear you. Your voice stopped coming actually all of a sudden. Okay. Suhina?
No.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yeah. 12 9 ja.
108.
13 6 ja.
13 6 is 78.
Good job. Everybody who has answered, who has not answered, who took time, who took less time, who did right, who went wrong, everybody has to keep on practicing 5 minutes every day, okay? No question about it. Salini, ready?
Sir,
Yeah,
I might be leaving 15 minutes early.
that's fine. Table. We are talking about tables right now.
Okay.
Table till
12.
8 7 ja.
56.
7 8 ja.
56.
12 7 ja. 12 7 ja. 84. Salini, I cannot hear you. Are you still there? Yeah, 8 9 ja.
72.
12 9 ja.
108.
Good job. Now comes Ananya, ready? It's okay, it's perfectly fine. When I see you guys, right, I feel very nice. I have 2 daughters, okay? I'm not saying that I don't like boys, I like boys as well. I'm saying when I see you guys, I see younger version of my kids. So you all are like my kids, okay? Don't feel uncomfortable or don't be shy. Nothing will go wrong. It's okay. Table till 7, 5 5 ja. 6 9 ja. 5 8 ja. 4 7 ja. 28. 4 7 ja. 28. 6 6 10 ja. 7 5 ja. 7 7 ja. So, do you watch cricket? No.
I used to.
Okay, so in cricket, like when you come to the crease and you face the first ball, and when you hit a boundary and score maximum runs, that's what I saw you doing today. So in the first class, you have impressed me with your knowledge of table. You were very accurate. You were very quick. You made one small mistake, but that will come in practice. That's fine. Okay, a very good start. Thank you, Vita. Okay, now let's go to Sami. Sami, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
11, sir.
8 8 ja.
64.
7 9 ja.
81.
9 7 ja.
63.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 7 8 8
What?
8 8
Okay. 64.
11 9
99.
Good job. Let's go to Usher. Usher, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till
11.
7 9
7 9s are 40, 49.
Okay. 7 9 63. 63.
What?
7 9
I can't hear you.
Okay. Can I ask everybody else to go on mute? Everybody else except Usher.
You're kind of echoing. Yeah.
Everybody go on mute. Everybody goes on mute. Everybody on mute. Except Usher. Yeah?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. Mandeep, you have to be on mute. Okay. 5 9
5 9s are 45.
Mandeep, you have to be on mute. Everybody stays on mute except me and Usher. 5 8
5 8s are 40.
11 7
11 7s are 77.
6 9
6 9s are 54.
9 7
9 7s are
63. All right. So you would need to practice. Okay.
Okay.
Not only you, everybody has to practice 5 minutes every day. I'm muting Usher. Okay, can everybody hear me okay now? Now, do you guys know why I was echoing? It was because of Usher. No, it's okay. It's fine. Sometimes there's a technical problem, okay?
Can I go to the restroom?
Yes, please. Okay, now let me go to Aditi. You have not shared tables, right?
I was gonna ask a question. The echoing was a little fun to me, but it was just a technical issue.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go to Joy. Ready? Everybody else stays on mute. Okay. Only the person who's talking, apart from me, has to stay unmuted. Tasvik, what are you busy with? Okay. Joy, ready?
7.
Okay. 5 9
40.
45. 6 6
42.
36. 6 7 is 42. 5 8 Yog and Tasvik, your friendship has to stop right away.
What?
No, not you.
What is it?
I said 5 8
5 8?
Mm-hmm. 40.
40.
40.
40.
Yeah. 6 3
18.
6 9
24.
Okay. So, Joy, I would want to request you to spend 10 minutes every day, okay, with the tables. That is very much needed, okay. So 5 to 10 minutes for everybody, that's a request. But since you saw, right, I mean, we are taking a little time and sometimes we are going wrong. So make sure that you are spending 5 minutes or 10 minutes for me every day practicing those tables, okay. Yeah. Let's go to Aditya, ready? Table till 12, 5 9 7 7 8 9 What is going on here?
72.
Did I say 8 9 Okay. 12 5
12 5. 60.
60. 8 8
64.
7 8
7 eighths are 56.
Okay, good job. Now, from today, I'm forced to do something that I don't like, meaning punishing some kids. You have, there's a timeout of 2 minutes for you. You have to go to that place and stay in that corner, facing the wall, please.
Me?
Yeah. And Tasik, your turn can come anytime. Yeah, please. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you'll come back by yourself, okay? Yeah.
Hey, face this wall.
This wall, that wall, just a wall. Stay there. Okay? Now, let's go to Vihan. Arihan. Arihan, ready?
Yes, sir.
Table till. 12.
12.
8 8 ja.
Sorry, what?
8 8 ja.
64.
12 8 ja.
12, 8, 96.
7 9 ja.
7, 9,
Mm-hmm.
82.
5 8 ja.
Wait, sorry, 63.
Okay.
Wait,
Okay. 5 8 ja.
5, 8,
Uh-huh.
40.
12 9 ja. 108.
Yeah.
Okay. Come. I don't feel good when I punish you guys. Sit down. But don't give me chance. Okay. 11 9 ja.
Do you have a bag of tissue?
No, I don't.
11, 9, 99.
7 7 ja.
49.
Good job. Let's see. Mandeep, you have already answered, right? No. So Tasvik and Yug. Tasvik. You guys are here only for 55 minutes to 1 hour. What is that desperate need for you to be naughty? Nothing, right? Stay calm. Only, even if you are getting bored, let me finish the tables and then we'll start learning something, okay? You also, stable. Now, okay, so Arihan has told. Let me see, anybody on the screen who has not shared the tables? Okay, Jay. Jay, ready?
Yes.
Table till
12,
8 8 ja.
64,
9 7 ja.
63,
5 7 ja.
35,
4 9 ja.
36,
5 8 ja.
40,
12 6 ja.
72.
72. Yeah. So good job, but 5 minutes of practice, please, everybody. Okay, so let me quickly check. So Aradhya has not shared. Then Mandeep has raised his hand. Mandeep, you have shared the tables, right? Yeah. Shalini has shared. Suhina has shared. Then Jay has shared. Joy shared. And then Jaganya shared. Arihan has shared. Okay, now we have only Nihit and Divit in the classroom who have not shared. You, Tasvik, that is none of your business, for God's sake. Okay?
May I go to
Yeah.
the bathroom really quick?
Yeah, please. Table till
6,
5 4 ja.
20,
5 9 ja.
54,
45. 5 9 ja. 45. 6 3 ja.
18,
6 8 ja. 6 8 ja.
48,
Okay. 5 7 ja. 35.
35,
Yeah. So you have memorized tables. I see you are doing much better with the tables, but little more practice. Let's go to Divit. Table till
Table till 7.
7. 5 5 ja.
5 5 is 25.
5 9 ja.
5 9s are 45.
6 8 ja.
6 8s are. I'm not sure.
Say it. That's fine. Going wrong is no crime.
48.
You're right.
Ah.
So see, whatever you know, 6, 8 or 48 or 47 or 45, whatever it is, just say it. Because when you say it, you hear it for yourself. If you were right, you will hear it right for yourself. If you are wrong, you will hear it wrong for yourself, and then you will practice. So when you memorize tables, 7 5 are
7 5s are 35.
35. So here's the deal. Now I'll just take 1 minute. I'm trying to memorize, let's say, table of 17 in front of the class. I have no shame. I have no problem doing it in front of kids like you guys. Okay? So this is how I'll memorize. 17 1 is 17, 72 is 34, 73 is 51, 17 4 is 68, 17 5 is 85, 17 6 is 100, 85, 112, 17 7 is 119, 17 8 is 136, 17 9 is 153, 17 10 is 170. So in the first iteration I went a little slow, and I purposefully stopped at some point because I was trying to show you guys how you will do it, right, when you are doing it. So first iteration you might go wrong. Write it on a piece of paper, then you should say 71, 17, 134, 73, 51, 74, 68, 75, 85, 76, 112, 77, 129, 17 8 is 146, 79 is 153, 17 10 is 170. So again, I just did it. I went wrong some places, but I have the written. I'll do it 2-3 times. It hardly takes me a minute or two to memorize the table. Do that. Once you do it, take it to somebody in the family. So you have to ask you questions. They'll ask you questions. You might go wrong. That's fine. Going wrong is no problem. That gives you a way to find out where did you go wrong and why did you go wrong. And then you'll practice again. Do it again, same thing next day. Do it 4-5 days. Then that becomes yours. And then every day you will, whenever you are just getting bored with something, you will pick it up, just go through it quickly, 5 minutes done, okay, let me go play. Okay. Don't study math as a source of stress. Math is a fun subject, and you will do it, you will love it only if you enjoy it, okay, in a more playful way. Now, all that, so this is like a 30-minute exercise we do every Saturday to check the tables, because I know if you guys memorize tables, you are building a very strong foundation for yourself. Okay. Now, let's see what we want to learn today. So first of all, what did we learn in the last class?
We learned fractions.
We learned fractions. How to add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions. Okay. Yeah, Nihan.
I was about to say the same thing.
Okay. So now, since we learned this, and today we want to learn about coordinate planes. But before we go there, I wanted to make sure that everybody in the class has understood fractions. If anybody has any doubt, let's come back to it. Is there anybody in the class who has doubt about how to do fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division? You know it already? Okay. David?
The fractions.
Fractions.
The fractions part. That's
Fraction.
where I'm confused.
A little confused. Yeah, then.
I just don't know how to divide and
Divide. You don't know how to divide and multiply, okay? Anybody on the screen who is not clear about Joy, hands down. All that fingers dancing on the screen is not needed. That is out of syllabus. Let's focus on math. Yes, Alini.
Sorry, I just pressed on.
That's okay. Let's not waste time for things that are not important. Okay, yeah, sure. You had a question?
Yeah, I'm a little confused.
Okay. So, first thing first. Tasvik, do you have wheels on your pant? Move that side.
Why do you keep moving
No,
that?
I will take care of teaching part. You don't have to teach anybody. You focus on your stuff. Tasvik, you will get your next time out. Next time out is planned for you now, based on whatever I have seen. So don't do that, which gives you a chance. Yes, Jay.
I have to go now.
You have to go, okay. So fine. So I'm going to do a quick revision of fractions, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And whoever knows it, wonderful. Who has not understood it, this is your chance. After doing this also, if you are not able to catch up, There is a video that is getting recorded, okay, this on this iPad. I'm getting recorded, the board is getting recorded. So you can, I'll put this video on YouTube only for you guys to revise, okay? So let's quickly take a look at fractions, addition, multiplication and division. And then we'll see what is the confusion. First thing, we are not learning addition, subtraction, multiplication, division as 4 different things. We are learning only 2 things. We are learning addition, subtraction the same thing. Multiplication, division is the same thing. Okay? So we are not trying to learn 4 things. We are learning only 2 things. Okay, Asher? Yeah? So everybody pay attention. Mandeep, you have to stay on mute, because if you are not on mute, whatever you do behind the camera, that is coming as a noise. Now, Nate, pay attention, you pay attention. Because if you don't pay attention, you will get tension. Okay, I'm saying add 1 by 3 plus 2 by 6. Okay?
Do it.
If you know it, just do it without asking for it. But I'm just teaching it to everybody, okay? Who is wanting to be sure about it. Or don't do it, it's fine. It's fine. You guys will get homework anyways. 1 by 3 plus 2 by 6. This is a fraction, this is a fraction. No doubt? Asher, Mandeep, Joy? Yeah, Joy.
Is it 6 by 6?
1 by 3 plus 2 by 6. No. Don't try to give an answer, okay? I'm trying to show you guys. There is no brownie points or prize for guesswork. Math is all about doing it. Okay? I have to add 1 by 3 and 2 by 6. Okay? Now how will I go about it? All the kids, no Vihan, Arihan, it's not a question, okay? I'm just trying to explain to some of the kids who are not clear about it. You want second time? Okay. Now, I have 2 fractions to add. My first attempt, my first thing that I will do is find out the denominators. What are the denominators? 3 and 6. Write them down. Okay, 3 and 6. These are my denominators. If I had a plus or a minus, both are same for me, okay? Everything is same. So, I took the denominators, I wrote it down, okay? Joy and Asher, everybody. I have written it down. Now, what will I do? Find out the smallest number that can divide both of them.
LCM.
I'm trying to find out the LCM actually, okay? Find out the smallest number that can divide both of them, okay? 1, anyway, divide everybody. I don't care about 1. 2 can divide this guy but not this guy. Can I keep 3? 3? Yeah, I can divide. Let me put 3. 3 1 ja 3. How many times of 3 gives me 6? 3 2 is 6. Yep. Now, remember this thing. Our job will be done when everything becomes 1 here. Asher, are you with me? Joy? Mandeep, everybody? Yeah? So, first thing I took all the values in the denominator, I wrote it down, and I'm trying to find out the smallest number that can divide all of them, and I'm trying to get to a point where I have 1 everywhere, okay? So, right now I have 1 here, and this one is 2. Now, the smallest number apart from 1, that will divide this guy. I think 2. So, 1 remains 1, 2 1 ja 2. I have got all 1s here. What I have this side, 3 and 2. Just multiply them. 3 into 2. What I got? 6. That is my LCM. Okay? So, this is not in singing or dance class. No songs. So I got 3 into 2 is my LCM, which is 6. So what I will do is, fine, I got 6. So let me write 6. I have written 6 now. Now pick up the first number. What do I have here? 3. How many times of 3 gives me 6? 2. So write 2.
Times 2. Just take that one.
You will go for a time out outside the class and for 10 minutes with a formal complaint to mommy as well. Okay? And Tasvik, you are not very far from getting there. Don't do that. Now, again, repeating myself. So, I got the LCM as 6. I wrote that 6 here. I'm picking up the numbers one by one. I picked up this one, 1 by 3. What is that I have denominated 3. How many times of 3 gives me 6? 2. I wrote 2. Then, multiply that with whatever I have in the numerator. I have 1. Multiply that. Bracket closed. First guy is done. Asher, are you with me so far?
Yes.
Okay. So just pay attention, okay? I'm just trying to go as slow as possible so that you guys don't get confused. Now, first guy is done. Okay? I wanted 2 meals. By 1 meal is done. Now I'm looking at my second meal. Okay? Between my first and second meal, what do I have? A plus sign. I'll put a plus. When I go to my second meal, let me close that so that it doesn't create any confusion for me. Now look at same thing. What do I have in the denominator? 6. How many times of 6 gives me 6? 1. I'll write a 1. And then multiply that with what do I have in the numerator? Okay? So here 2 into 1, 1 into 2. So this becomes 6 remains 6. 2 times 1 is what? 2. Bracket, I can open bracket. Now 1 times 2 is what? 2. What did I get? 2 plus 2, 4 by 6.
I just noticed that the brackets are basically the numbers flip-flop.
That's okay. I mean, whatever it is, I don't really have to care about that. What I'm saying is, whatever comes by multiplying these two, I'll put it. Whatever comes by multiplying these two, I'll put it. And then take care of it. 4 by 6. No texting, no messaging, no emojis, no friendship, no chatting. Yeah, Yalati.
Can I go to the bathroom, sir?
Yes, sure. So I got 4 by 6. This is my answer. Yes, Joy. What is your question? Tell me.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Please. Yeah, go ahead. I got this as my answer. So I was saying that I'm not interested in teaching you guys how to do subtraction because whatever I taught, that is enough. Now let me show you how is that possible. So far if you look at this, whatever I had to add, I looked at the denominators, found out the LCM of these two numbers, which was 6. I wrote that number, which is LCM. Then I picked up the first number. How many times the denominator gives me 6? I wrote that. Multiplied that with the numerator. First one is done. Then put the sign here. Then again another bracket starts. Pick the second number. How many times of this gives me 6? That is 1. Multiply that with 2. Done. And then I'm adding it. I'm done. Asher, is this one clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm saying that I don't want to teach you guys how to do subtraction because there's nothing to teach. Right? I'll show you how. If I say 3 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Yeah, sure.
Can I go to the restroom, please?
Sure. So what I was saying was, if I have the subtraction, since your teacher is very lazy and saying that I don't want to teach you guys, that means the clue here is that it's the same thing, no difference. Meaning, again, in the addition thing, what did you do? We picked up the denominators and did the LCM of that, 4 and 7. Okay, let's find out the LCM again. Is there a number which can divide both of them?
Yeah.
Which one?
No, only 4.
Only 4, right?
Yeah.
So I'll take the smallest number as 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 doesn't come in the table of 4. I will leave it as 7. Now the next smallest number that I can deal with is 7. So 7, 1 remains 1, 7 ones are 7. Done. I got 1 in both the places. So there is nothing that I can do now. I'm done. So if I multiply these two numbers, that is my LCM. So 4 times 7 is 28. 4 7s are 28. All the kids who know the table of 4, they'll be able to get this real quick without struggling with it. That's why 4 7s are 28 is not going to be effective. 4 7 is 28. If you know the table, you'll get it very quickly. So you put 28 here. Now, everybody here. Same thing like what you are doing with the addition. Same thing here. 3 by 7. Pick the first number. How many times of 7 gives you 28?
4 times.
4 times. 4 right in the bracket. And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator. 3. Close the bracket. First meal done. Ready for second meal.
Yep.
But before you go to second meal, what do you see? There is a minus. Put the minus. So earlier you had a plus, you put a plus. Now you have a minus, put a minus. That's it. Now you go to second one. How many times of 4 gives you 28? 7. And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator. Okay? Look at this. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Minus 7 times 1 is 7 by 28. 12 minus 7, everybody knows how much is that? 5 by 28. Did we learn anything new? No? No. It's the same addition actually. Same thing. Wherever I had a plus, that became a minus. That's the only difference. Yes, Sandri.
It's like everything's like the same thing except for the minus.
Just the sign. So whatever you see, you write that. See, did I try to act very smart? No. I was behaving very dumb. I said, okay, if I see a minus, I will put a minus. If I see a plus, I will put a plus. Done. Now, I will show you why it is same. If you look at real quick, if I say 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Now we are trying to do addition and subtraction together. Since they are all the same, I can do it in one go. What will I do? Find out 2, 3, 5. LCM of 2, 3 and 5. This is 3. What is the smallest number that can divide all? There is no common number that can divide all. So I will start with 2. 2 1 is 2, 3 remains 3, 5 remains 5. Then the smallest number is 3. 1 remains 1, 3 1 is 3, 5 remains 5. Then the smallest number is 5. 1 remains 1, 1 remains 1, 5 is the 5. All done. 2, 3 and 5. Multiply them. That is your LCM. 2 3 are 5. 2 3 are 6 times 5, 30. This is your LCM. LCM is done. Behave. Pay attention here, okay? Don't feel tired. Yeah.
What time is it?
Doesn't matter. I'll not tell you the time. If you ask me time again, you might end up doing the next class also. No, so again, something that you know already, there's no harm in paying attention and following it, okay? If you keep looking for time, that distracts the class and it is not good for you. Now coming back to this one. Don't make that sound, that's not needed, please. Now, I have three fractions and I got the LCM. Start with the first one. How many times of 2 will give you 30? Any guess?
What?
How many times of 2 will give you 30? 15. And then multiply that with what you have in the numerator, 1. First one is done. What do you have? A plus sign. I'll just copy paste. Then, how many times of 3 gives you 30?
10.
10. Then, what do you have in the numerator? Multiply with 2. Done. Then minus. You have a minus sign. You put a minus sign. See, I'm not doing anything different. I'm just copy pasting the signs and continuing with it. Okay? Same approach. Yeah? Everybody?
Yes.
Suhina, Joy, everybody with me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Salini?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Salini? With me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm there.
Okay.
Sir, I need to leave.
Yes, sure. Go ahead. But
Bye.
whatever we learned today, just watch the video of the class later on so that you can catch up. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, how many times of 5 gives me 30? 6. 6 times 5, 30.
Yes.
6.
And then multiply that with the numerator. See, did I do anything different? No. That's why you can, when you go home, you can tell that I did not learn anything new. It's the same thing.
29 by 30.
Yeah?
29 by 30.
Yeah. So now, again, you guys are smarter than me. I'm not that smart, so I calculate all this. 15 times 1 is 15. Plus 10 times 2 is 20. Minus 6 times 1 is 6. So 15 plus 20 is 35. Minus 6, 29. So that is how it becomes 29 by 30. Look at multiplication, addition and subtraction being done in one place, right? When you solve problem, you'll say, okay, I know how to do addition. When you solve problem, you'll say, I know how to do subtraction. Here you are doing addition, subtraction in the same place. Yeah? And the approach is same, concept is same, no difference. Yes, Nihan.
Sir, so if you're like more comfortable like doing like one step like 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 and then minus 1/5 like that, can you also do that?
That also you can do. You can add these two things together and then subtract this one. That also you can do, no harm. It is same thing, right? 2 banana plus 5 banana minus 6 bananas. You can add them together and then do a minus, or you can do all one go as well. Yeah? Okay. So you guys saw addition and subtraction. Let me quickly check if everybody has understood this very clearly without any doubt. Is everybody clear?
Yes.
Yeah, Joy. Are you clear, beta? Joy? Clear?
Yes.
So Joy, I told you, are you clear, beta? Beta is sun in Hindi, okay? So that's why I used a term which you might not have heard before, okay? Yeah. Alright. So, yeah, sure. Are you clear?
I kind of didn't understand. I'm kind of confused in the multiplying part.
We'll come to that. Don't worry about that. Okay? We'll come to that. So, Joy, you might want to put your hands down unless you have a question.
I didn't mean to do that.
Okay, you can bring it down. That's okay. Now, we are trying to do multiplication. And multiplication is more fun. Okay? Can anybody tell me why it is fun?
Because
Tic-tac-toe?
Huh?
Playing
Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe, yes. Now, when we do math, we do tic-tac-toe also. Now, let's see. 1 by 6 times 4 by 9. If you have to do this, it's fairly easy. Okay? Okay, don't try doing it. Whoever knows, they can do it. But let me explain this.
tic-tac-toe.
Okay, so what will I do? First thing is, it says whatever you have in the first floor or the numerator and the ground floor, you write them together. So 1 into 4 divided by 6 into 9. Okay? Now, here in math, we look at making things simpler. 1 I can write as 1, 4 I can write as 2 into 2. Agree? And then 6 I can write as 2 into 3. Why is that needed? No, I am talking about you. Imagine this, if I am teaching in the class and will that be fun? No, right? One thing at a time, focus. 6 is 2 times 3, 9 I can also break as 3 times 3. Yep? Now the fun begins.
Done.
No, wait. 2 and 2. 1, 2 in the numerator, 1, 2 in the denominator. I can do tic-tac-toe. I can knock it out. Now what do I have? I have 1 into 3 by 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3. So, okay, sorry, 1 into 2 by 3 into 3 into 3. Can I do any further tic-tac-toe? No, right? No. Now, so this becomes 1 into 2 is 2, by 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Done. So, look at this. What did I do? Did I do anything fancy here? Whatever I had here, I just wrote it down. Whatever I had here, I wrote it down. Then, I looked at how do I make it smaller so that I can play. Smaller things are more interesting, more beautiful, more cute, more easy to deal with. Let's say if I fall here, right? If I fall and break my knee. If somebody has to lift me and take to the hospital, it will be difficult, right? Can you guys lift me and take me to the hospital? No, right? Wherein, I don't think that happens, but if any of you are supposed to be lifted and taken to even my neighbor's place, I can do it very easily, right? I can lift Yug and take him to my neighbor's place. Very easy, right? what I'm trying to say here is, when you're dealing with smaller things, that's easy. That's what we're trying to make. We're trying to make it easy or small. What did I do? I broke it into smaller pieces. 2 into 2. These are called factors. 6 I can break into 2 into 3. 9 I can break into 3 into 3. Yeah? Now, when I broke it into smaller pieces, then I'm trying to find out, do I have something common between the numerator and denominator? And I can play with them. I found 1, 2 here, 1, 2 here common. I did tic-tac-toe. Now I have lesser numbers to deal with. This is my answer. Yeah? Are you guys clear? Asher, Joy, are you able to follow me now?
Sir.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sanvi, clear?
Yes, sir.
I heard a kind of. Who was it?
It was me.
Okay. Tell me what is not clear.
The tic-tac-toe part.
Tic-tac-toe is the fun part, okay? Meaning, see, if I have, let's say, some extra, something extra, and my neighbor also has something extra, we are trying to remove the extra ones, which is common. Okay? So here, I will not do tic-tac-toe 2 and 3, okay? I will do only 2 with a 2 or 3 with a 3. Same things only, right? Right, like you guys play tic-tac-toe, this is how you do it, right? Somebody says a cross, then you say, no, I will block you here. Then this guy says, okay, I'll put a here. Then say, no, I'll block you here. Then this guy says, okay, I'll block you here, right? So here, these are different things. In our tic-tac-toe in math, we only cross the matching things, that's all. Which helps us make the values simpler. Like the example I gave, that nobody would be willing to lift me and take me to a doctor, right? I'm too big, too heavy, too fat. Compared to you guys.
So we
Yeah.
think that
All of us together can.
Yeah, I mean, that's called teamwork. So coming back to the math part, okay, let's look at one more problem. Okay? Now I'm trying to make it more interesting, more fun, while it might look difficult to begin with. If I say 2 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 9 multiplied by 15 by 8, and that looks scary to begin with, but it is not. Same approach. What will I do? This is equal to whatever I have in the first floor versus the ground floor. Let me write it down. 2 into 3 into 15. And then 6 into 9 into 8. Okay? Yeah? Asher, are you with me? Joy? I'm just calling out Asher and Joy because they just wanted to make sure that they are able to follow it. Everybody here, David, everybody is with me, right? Aisha, Rania? Now, look at multiplying 2 numbers versus 3 numbers. I'm not doing anything different. I just wrote it down. Now, again as I said, nobody wants to lift me and take me to my neighbor's place. So you guys want smaller numbers. Let's make them smaller. 2 is already very small. Let's not touch that. 3 is also equally small. You cannot break it. 15, you can say 5 into 3, right? Yeah? Now here, 6 you can write as 2 into 3. This 9 you can write as 3 into 3. And this 8 you can probably write as 4 into 2. Now see, if you have some avenues to play. Yeah? This 2 and this 2 I can knock off. This 3 and one of the 3 I can knock off. This 3 and this 3 also can knock off. What do I have now? I am left with only 5 in the numerator and 3, 4 and 2 in the denominator. Yeah? What did I get? 5 by 3 times 4 is 12 into 2. 24.
Can't you make it simpler?
You can simplify it further. Think about it.
But into decimals. Okay.
That is, we'll come to that when we talk about decimals. Right now we'll just talk about multiplying fractions. You? Stay stable. See, this is not a gymnastics class, right?
What class?
Gymnastics. Yeah? Okay? So everybody here. Now, be multiplying 2 fractions or multiplying 3 fractions, we are taking the same approach, playing it enough, and we are getting a simple answer, right? Joy, Asher, Suhina, Sanvi, everybody with me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Aditi, yep, okay. Now, so tomorrow if somebody tries to bother you by adding another 16 by 5, you will not care. You will follow the same approach. Yeah? So, be it multiplying one fraction, two fraction, I mean, you don't multiply one fraction is one fraction. What will you multiply it with? Multiplying two fractions, four fractions, 8 fractions, you don't care. Same approach. Yeah? Yeah? Alright. So, we have 3 more minutes. And I have promised that we will talk about coordinate planes today, but I don't think we can. So we will quickly look at division of fractions. Division. And as I said, I don't want to teach you guys division.
I have division.
You
Division.
division, yeah. So now look at this. 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 8. As I said, I am not wanting to teach you guys division. That's good. Now if I say time out, you'll end up going and sitting in your dad's car because it's almost time. Don't do that. Now, if I have division, I said I don't want to teach you guys division. What does it mean? Division and multiplication are the same thing, but with a different flavor. Meaning, if somebody says divide, you say I will not. What do I mean by that? You will say, okay, fine. Even if you ask me to divide, I will say multiply. And when you change the division to multiplication, what happens? No. No tic tac. Yeah. Somebody gets upset and starts dancing. Meaning, this number got upset. You were saying, oh, I was thinking that I will get divided by, I will divide somebody. Now you are saying multiply. So this guy gets upset and flips upside down. So 8 goes up, 4 comes down. So division is nothing but another form of multiplication. Yes, Joy.
Is this tic-tac-toe?
Now you can do tic-tac-toe. See, you have division. You said I don't want to do division, I will do multiplication. So as soon as you change the division to multiplication, somebody gets upset and flips upside down. So 8 went up, 4 came down. Now you have multiplication. You know how to do. You will put 1 into 8 by 2 into 4. Now you know that 1 will remain 1. 8 you can break as 4 into 2. And 2 into 4. See? This 4 and this 4 you can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 also you can do tic-tac-toe. What do you have?
1 by 1.
1 whole.
So basically, division is no different from multiplication. Only thing you have to remember is, promise yourself that whenever you are asked to do division, you will say, I will not do division. And I will change it to multiplication. And when you change to multiplication, somebody will get upset. As long as you remember that, you are done. Yeah? That is all we had to learn or revise. I mean, this is something that we had learned in the previous class, but I just want to make sure that everybody stays on the same page with respect to understanding of this. Is everybody clear?
Yes,
Why you have to
yes.
stop telling? Wait, let me hear that yes from everybody.